Hello, today we will discuss algorithm, flowcharts, software, hardware, number systems. Okay, now we will discuss what is the algorithm. Computers are essentially problem solving devices. Computers solve these problems in simple and small steps and that are expressed in the form of the computer instructions. Now, the set of rules that define how a particular problem can be solved in finite number of steps is known as algorithm. Note this, the set of rules that define how a particular problem can be solved in finite number of steps is known as algorithm. Okay, an algorithm is composed of a finite set of steps and each of which may require one or more operations. But there are certain constraints to be placed on the types of operations as algorithm can include, and these are: each operation must be definite. That means it must be clearly defined what should be done. Okay, it must be clearly defined. For example, x is equal to 6 upon 0, add 3 or 8 to a are not permitted as these operations are not clearly defined. Second is, each operation must be effective. That means each step must be such that it can be done using pencil and paper in finite amount of time. For example, arithmetic on integers is effective operation. Okay, whereas arithmetic on real numbers is not, since some values may be expressible only by an infinitely large decimal expressions. Third is, each operation must be finite. That means algorithm should terminate after a finite number of operations. An algorithm is a logical expression of discrete steps that describe a complete solutions to a given problem in a finite amount of time. Okay, a program is the expression of an algorithm in programming language. Okay, a program is the expression of an algorithm in programming language. Thus, the success of a program depends upon the algorithm. Therefore, logic of the problem must be clearly expressed in algorithm. The logic of the problem may be expressed in various manners, and one of the most preferred methods is the graphical method of representing the problem's solution, which is known as flowchart. Okay, graphical methods of representing the problem solution, which is known as flowchart. So this is your algorithm. Now flowchart. A flowchart is a pictorial representation of step-by-step solution of the problem. Okay, a flowchart is a pictorial representation of step-by-step solution of a problem. A flowchart not only pictorially depicts the sequence in which instructions are carried out in algorithm but also is used as an aid in developing algorithm. Okay, there are various flowchart symbols that carry different messages and are used for different purpose, and these symbols one by one we have defined symbols and what are the purpose of that symbols are written in the figure, and you can observe first symbol is start stop, second symbol is input output, third symbol is for processing, fourth symbol is for decision box, next fifth symbol is for flow chart of flow of control, the next is annotation, and last is connector. Okay, examples: draw a flowchart that picks the largest of three given numbers. Means you have to draw a flowchart and you are given three numbers, and which of the number is largest. For this you have to draw a flowchart. So see in the figure, first is start and next is read xyz, and now we go in decision box. If x is greater than y, no, then we check for y is greater than z. If this is yes, no, then print the largest number is y. Similarly, you can imagine if x is greater than y, yes, then we go to decision box. If x is greater than z, if yes, then print the largest number is x, and if x greater than z is no and y greater than z is no, then print the largest number is y. Okay, so this has been shown by figure. Now we will discuss what is the hardware and software. The term hardware refers to the mechanical device that makes up computer. Computer hardware consists of interconnected electronic devices that because to control computer operations, input and output operations. Example of hardware are CPU, keyboard, mouse, hard disk, etc. Now hardware components are: computer hardware is a collection of several components working together. Some parts are essential and others are added advantage. Computer hardware is made up of CPU and peripherals. Hardware is a physical parts of computers that cause processing of data. Okay. Now we will discuss software, a set of instruction that devices a set of instruction that drives computer to do stipulated task is called program. Software instructions are performed in a computer language, translated into machine language, and executed by computer. And software may be classified into two types, that is system software and application software. System software operates directly on hardware devices of computer. It provides a platform to run an application. It provides and supports user functionality. Example of system software includes operating system such as Windows, Linux, Unix, etc. Now we will discuss about application software. And application software is designed for benefit of users to perform one or more tasks. Example of application software includes Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Oracle, etc. Thus, software is a set of instructions that tells a computer exactly what to do. There are so many definitions of software and hardware, and you can see in different books in different way. You have to prepare a short note on this hardware and software. Okay, now we will discuss unit number 4, and this is your number systems. Okay, this is your number system. Digital number system. Unit 4. In digital number interpretation, various number systems are used. The most common number systems used are a decimal, binary, octal, and hexadecimal system. Decimal number system. The decimal number system is composed of 10 numerals or symbols. Deca means 10, and that is why this system is called decimal system. These 10 symbols are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Using these symbols as digits of a number, we can express any quantity. The decimal system is also called the base 10 system. Base 10 system because it has 10 digits. Okay, the decimal system is a positional value system in which the value of a digit depend on its position. For example, if we consider the decimal number 7 to 9, then we know that digit 7 actually represents 7 hundreds, the digit 2 represents 2 tens, and the 9 represents 9 unit. Thus the 7 carries most weight of 3 digits. It is referred to as the most significant digit, MSD. The 9 carries the least weight and is called least significant digit, LSD. Okay, now we can consider one another example. Let it be 25.12. This number is actually equal to 2 tens plus 5 units plus 1 tenth plus 1 tenth plus 2 hundredths, that is 2 to the power 2 into 10 plus 5 into 1 plus 1 into 1 by 10 plus 2 into 1 by 100. The various position relatives to decimal point carry weights that can be expressed as power of 10. This is expressed in following figure where the number 2512.1971 is represented. The decimal point separates the positional positive power of 10 from the negative power. The number 2512.1971 is thus equal to 2 into 10 to the power 3 plus 5 into 10 to the power 2 plus 1 into 10 to the power 1 plus 2 into 10 to the power 0 plus 1 into 10 to the power minus 1 plus 9 into 10 to the power minus 2 plus 7 into 10 to the power minus 3 plus 1 into 10 to the power minus 4. In general, any number is simply sum of the products of each digit value and its positional value. See in the figure, we have figure 8 box 2 3 4 for 2512.1971 and positional values are expressed here: 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power minus 1, 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power minus 3, 10 to the power minus 4. 2 is most significant digit, most significant weight and least significant digit, and so we have expressed 2512.1971 and see the figure. You can observe well. Now second point is binary number system. In the binary number systems, there are only two symbols or possible digit. Value is 0 and 1. Even so, this base 2 system can be used to represent any quantity that can be represented in decimal or other number systems. The binary system is also a positional value system, whereas in each binary digits it has own value of weight expressed as a power of 2. This is represented in figure given below. Here, places to the left of the binary point are positive powers of 2 and places to the right are negative power of 2. The number 1010.0101 is shown as. We have this figure where 1 is most significant bit and lastly 1 is least significant bit, and this is the positional value in binary system numbers. To find the decimal equivalent of a shown binary number, we simply take the sum of the product of each digit value 0 and 1 and its positional value. So it 101.0101 in bracket outside 2 is equal to 1 into 2 to the power 3 plus 0 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 0 plus 0 into 2 to the power minus 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power minus 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power minus 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power minus 4, and thus we have 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0 plus 0.25 plus 0.0625. In this way we have in bracket 10.3125 10. So we have discussed binary number system, decimal number system, and now we will in next lecture we will discuss hexadecimal. octal number system and other number systems. Okay, this is all about of today class. Thank you.